how to fix iPhone ear speaker not working. The first thing you can do to fix this problem out is just turn off your Bluetooth. Sometimes your devices might be connected to other Bluetooth devices and the call might be routed to the Bluetooth devices. So first just turn off your Bluetooth and next go to settings, slide down, go to accessibility right here. Now slide down and go to touch. Slide down and go to call audio routing right here and set the option to speaker, which will enable you to hear through the speaker more clearly. Now you can try to ring your friend and check if the speaker is doing alright. Or else what you can also do is clean the speaker. Sometimes there might be dirt or dust stuck in your speaker, which might be an obstruction to hear the person from the other side speaking. And the next you can do is go to hearing devices right here and turn off the hearing aid compatibility if it is on. And that might help you as well. And if that doesn't help you, then what you can also do is go to audio/visual right here and simply turn off the phone noise cancellation. So sometimes what might happen is turning on this option right here might just cancel the sound of the person speaking from the other side of the phone as a noise. So turning this off might help as well. And if that too doesn't help, then you can go to settings, then go to general, slide down, go to transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and simply reset all settings. That might help as well. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.